How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on additional settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on backup and reset. Now go to reset phone. Now tap on reset network settings to reset your mobile network. Now after resetting, go back to your home screen. Now tap on developer options. Now search for Wi-Fi scan throttling. Now make sure this option is enabled. Now go back to your home screen and restart your device. I hope this fixed your issue. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.